Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear all students. I hope that you all are doing well. Alhamdulillah. It's English period for class 2 and class 2 students. Today we are going to start our new grammar topic from our workbook. But before starting it, let's recite dua. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi zidni ilma. Ameen summa ameen. Students, here is your workbook. And on page number 41, another type of tense is given to you. As you have learned about present tense, now today you are going to learn about past tense, which is also a kind of tense. So let's start it. Here is the name mention of the topic, simple past tense. Now what does it mean and when do we use simple past tense? It is used to talk about things we did in the past time. Now what does past time means? That past time का मतलब जो वक्त गुजर चुका है, ठीक है, जो अभी नहीं बल्कि past यानी गुजरा हुआ वक्त, ठीक है. हम जब अपने गुजरे हुए वक्त के बारे में कोई बात कर रहे होते हैं, so we actually use a simple past tense making those sentences. तो फॉर एग्जाम्पल राइट नाउ आई एम डूइंग, दिस इज माई प्रेजेंट टाइम, और जो मैं कर चुकी हूँ दैट इज पास्ट टाइम. सो फॉर टेलिंग द पास्ट टाइम थिंग्स आई विल यूज सिंपल पास्ट टेंस, ठीक है, ताकि मेरे सेंटेंस में पता चले कि मैं कौन से टाइम की बात कर रही हूँ. नाउ हाउ वी फॉर्म द सेंटेंस यूजिंग सिंपल पास्ट टेंस? सब्जेक्ट, देन सेकेंड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब, देन ऑब्जेक्ट. You have learned about different form of verbs in your previous term as well and in your this book as well. That in your book a section is separately made in which the form of verbs are given to you, and you also learned in the first term likewise. So you have basically four forms of verb are given in that table: present, past participle or present participle. So from these type of table, which form of verb you will use for making simple past tense? This form of verb, the second form of verb which is given in the column of past. So these form of verb you will use for making simple past tense sentences. As you can see here, that example is here, he ate pizza. Now you can see here this is the at, and this is a second form of verb of eat. फर्स्ट फॉर्म होती है eat, बेसिक स्पेलिंग eat है, देन द सेकेंड फॉर्म और द पास्ट फॉर्म इज at. So this is how you will use the form of verb in the simple past tense. And then the object is here. Here is the subject, here is the second form of verb, then the object. So this is how you will have to make the simple past tense sentences. You just have to remember that the type of form of verb. For example, if you have learned about, you can take the example of word write. Write is a present form and it is a basic spelling of verb. Then what is the when you will use this word for telling your past action, so you will not use write over there. Instead, you will use wrote, which is the past form of verb. Write, wrote. Okay, so write is the present form and wrote is its past form. So similarly, as I used the past form of eat, eat is the basic or present spelling of verb, and then at is the past form of verb. So this is how this will be done. Now further in your workbook, exercises are also given related to the negative or interrogative sentences. As you have learned about what are negative or interrogative sentences, negative sentences are denying sentences in which we use not, and interrogative sentences are those sentences in which we ask question to someone. In short, questionary sentences. So in these type of tenses, one addition is there, helping verb. You can see here that helping verb is there. When we are going to make negative or interrogative sentences of the given simple past tense, so which form of helping verb we use? We use did. Likewise, we used is, am or are in present continuous tense. आपको याद है? That is really good. So similarly, in this sentence, we use this helping verb, which is did. So you can see here that how I made the negative sentence. I made the negative sentence of this sentence, so this concept will be very easily clear to you. He did not eat pizza. Now you can see here that here is not this past form of verb, but I added this helping verb here. You can see did plus not. And why I use not here? Because I am making negative sentence. So this addition will be done while making the negative sentence of a given given sentence of simple past tense. Now interrogative sentence. In interrogative sentence, you will use the helping verb at the start of the sentence, and at the end there will be a question mark. Why? Because it is a cautionary sentence. So this is the addition in this sentence of interrogative sentence, that you will use helping verb of simple past tense at the beginning of the sentence. So this is how the exercises will be done. And today's task is very simple. Here some sentences are given to you and the action are given to you through the picture, and in the bracket the basic spelling of that verb is also given. You just have to read the sentence and you have to just convert the giving form of verb into the past. For example, here is he dash in the bracket make some research. So you will have to change the make word which is given in the bracket into the past, and that will be, for example, made. So this is this is how you will convert the given word in the bracket into the past form. So this exercise will be done in this way. Then here are some basic spelling of verb is given. For example, you can say that present form of verb is given, and you have to write the past form of verb of each given word. For example, here is play, so you will have to write here played, which is a past form of play. Now here is very simple exercise, that some questions are given to you and you have to answer them very shortly. For example, did you close the door? Now the positive answer or the positive answer will be yes, I did. The negative answer is no, I did not. So this is how these exercises will be done. I am concluding my lecture that what is simple past tense? Simple past tense is used to talk about the things we did in the past time. And how we form the sentence using simple past tense? Subject plus second form of verb plus object. Then how we form negative sentence? We just add did not after the subject. And how we form interrogative sentence? We just add the helping verb at the beginning of the sentence and question mark at the end. So this is how this is the simple past tense. I hope that you have learned it. Very good. Now start your written task now. I am ending here. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.